let's do this. So in the Hardtex function section, we have two generator functions. We have a Boolean generator that tells us if a tile is there or not, and a tile generator that tells us what the exact 32-bit binary tile value is. So both these functions take the same exact inputs and address for the level overlay cell and then a local coordinate within that level overlay cell. So this is the Boolean generator 0, hence the B00, and then the inputs that it takes here. And then down here, we have the tile generator function and the inputs it takes here. And it takes the exact same coordinates right here, takes the level overlay cell and the local pixel coordinate within the level overlay cell. Now, we're missing a whole bunch of logic here, so we need to put some logic here and here in the function body, but we'll do that in a different video. So here is our pattern generator function we've been working on, and we've added all these variables: the origin of the data set, the width and height of the data set, and the bounds of our global pixel coordinate that we're going to iterate through for the data for a given level pack. So here's the global coordinate on our level pack. Here is the local coordinate within our level pack, 0 to 511 inclusive. Here is the overlay cell. Here's the local coordinate in the overlay cell. Here's the Boolean. Here's our 32-bit tile value. So first thing we need to do is select a generator function, a Boolean generator function. So if we're on pattern 0, then we're going to use this function pointer. If we're on pattern 0 here, we're going to use this function pointer. So this is the function pointer for the tile generator, the binary tile generator, and this is the Boolean 0 or 1 generator. So we're going to use both of these generator functions down here in this loop. We're going to loop with the y on the outside so that we can loop in scanline order. We're going to localize our coordinate, 0 to 511 inclusive, figure out what cell we're on, get the local coordinate within that cell, and then we're always going to use the Boolean generator function, and if there is a tile there, then we'll use the tile generator function, and then we need to set a tile, but we'll do that in another video. Okay, so here's what we did previously. Here's all our footnotes and stuff. We got to get out of here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.